everyone, I am Anusha and today I am going to make a mini carpet. So let's get started. So before starting I will tell you the materials which are required to make this mini carpet. So the materials are chart paper, a pen, a socks, or you can even take a old cloth, wool, scissor, glue and a circle object to make a circle. So let's get started. So before starting I will tell you that in this video I am going to make two ways. I am going to say you two ways to make this carpet. So first way is to take a chart paper and make a circle with the help of a circle object. So let's make a circle. So I have made a circle. Now I will cut it. So let's cut it. So as you can see that I have cut it. So now I will make with the first way. So the first way is by taking the wool I am going to make a beautiful design. So let's make it. Okay, so as you can see that I have cutted the wool. Now by the help of gum, here I will apply hole, means gum. So now after that I will take the wool and stick it like this. Or you can make any other pattern also. So let's stick it. So as you can see that I have made the pattern. So what I did, I take the wool and I rolled it slowly in the chart paper. Now it's not important that you have to take blue only, you can take any color chart paper, and this is the first way to make the carpet. So now we will make the second way. So for making the second way, same process, we are going to take the chart paper and here I am going to make a circle, then cut it, then we will stick cloth on that. So let's make the circle first. So after making the circle I have cutted it. So now what we have to do, now I will stick gum in this, then stick the cloth. So let's apply gum. So I have applied the gum. So what to do now, I will take the scissor and cut the socks and then stick it. So I have cutted the socks. Now I will cut it from here also. So after cutting it, now I will stick it. So I have stick the cloth in this. So I have stick socks. You can even stick some old cloth. So these are the two ways to make the carpet. Now one more way you can make, you can make the circle. After that you can apply the gum. After that you can stick some cotton on this. So it will look, that also will look nice. So these are the two ways to make the carpet. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like my videos.